So here's a question for you. What do you buy with your credit? For those of you who don't know me, my name is Lauren Delgero, aka The Solutionist. I help people to restore and remaster their credit profile so they can make the big purchases they need to grow. Now I'll ask you again, what do you buy with your credit? Houses, cars, boats, jet skis, vacations, clothes, toys, consumable goods, toilet paper, or do you buy things that are going to bring you a monthly income, month after month, year after year, for generations to come? Have you ever considered the idea that you can use your great credit to buy income, assets, investments, things that have value and pay you to own them? Most people have never heard of such an idea. It's so foreign. But when you have the benefits of a coach and a mentor, especially in credit, these are real things. These are real conversations that we have. We don't focus on the consumable goods, the clothes and the toys. You learn how to focus into something that's going to make you money, to make your experience better, to improve your lifestyle. That's where we could be focusing and we could see the impact. So again, remember what you're buying with your credit. Your credit cards, your lines of credit, your mortgages, your car notes, right? Stop for a second and think about what you're buying. Could you do something different to create income? Could you do something different to have a more positive impact on your family? If you have questions on the things that you might do different, how you could do them, how you could locate them, make sure that you reach out to myself, the Solutionist, and Total Solution Trust. That way we can guide you through the process of really obtaining these investments and these assets. I hope you found intense value here with me today. Make sure that you hit that like button and the subscribe button, because you're not going to want to miss out on the messages we have forthcoming on restoring your credit and creating new streams of income. Again, I'm Lauren Delgero, aka The Solutionist, here to help you restore and remaster your credit profile so you can make the big purchases you need to grow. Until next time.